في عام 2013 تأسست شركة كيماويات الدار وانطلقت مسيرتها كشركة سعودية 100% برؤية واضحة هي أن تكون رائدة إقليمياً ومن ثم عالمياً في قطاع الصناعات التحويلية وبالتحديد في مجال الكيماويات المتخصصة، طبعاً عبر الاستغلال الأمثل للموارد الأولية المتوفرة محلياً بهدف خلق قيمة مضافة، وذلك بتوفير مئات الوظائف لأبناء الوطن، توطين التقنيات والمساهمة في خلق بيئة استثمارية جاذبة. أولى المشاريع بدأ تنفيذه ولله الحمد في عام 2016 وهو مصنع المذيبات الكيميائية المتخصصة.
ADDAR Chemicals Company, ACC Chemicals, is a 100% Saudi company headquartered in Riyadh. The company was established in 2013 with an ambitious vision of adding value to the manufacturing sector and specialty chemicals in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. ADDAR Chemical Company is proud to be the leading company in the field of sulfur derivatives managed by Saudi employees. It aims to localize many chemical products by utilizing the raw materials available in the kingdom, which contribute to the rising domestic production, creating many high-value job opportunities for aspiring young Saudi workforce. The implementation of this project began in conjunction with the announcement of the Kingdom's Vision 2030, and with the support of the Ministry of Energy and the Saudi Industrial Development Fund by establishing the first specialized chemical solvent factory located in Jubail Industrial City, to produce chemicals that are manufactured for the first time not only in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia but in the Middle East region. Products such as sulfolane, sulfuric acid, sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide, and other chemicals that in turn enter into many global applications, including industrial, medical, and agricultural industries. For example, sulfolane is used in the industrial field to treat gases in refineries to separate aromatics, also used in the pharmaceutical industry as a synthetic solvent. It is used in agricultural chemicals and fertilizer industry, ink industry, medical and plastic engineering, electronics industry. Specialized Chemical Solvent Factory is the third largest integrated factory of its kind around the world in the production of sulfolane. The local demand for this product is completely covered by 50% of the factory's capacity and is also exported to many countries such as Egypt, Serbia, Sweden, India, Japan, Taiwan, the United States, Venezuela, and others, with a Saudi brand name called Adolene. This unique project was built in the region by US technology and using the equipment designed according to the highest engineering and constructional standards and compatible with the regulations of the Royal Commission of Jubail and Yanbu. Before exporting the products, all products will undergo intensive quality check in the laboratories of the factory, which are equipped with competent experts and high-quality special laboratory equipment to monitor quality, health, safety, and environmental standards, as well as to research and develop new products providing solutions in the field of manufacturing industries and specialized chemicals. The products are stored in special designed storage tanks and in warehouses inside the factory, under the direct supervision of the Occupational Safety and Health Administration. The company has obtained ISO certificates such as Quality Management System, Environmental Management System, Occupational Health and Safety Management System. ADDAR Chemical Company is interested in the Kingdom's efforts to localize industries and to employ and train Saudi workforce in the manufacturing and specialized chemical sector. The company is currently studying and developing many innovative manufacturing opportunities in this sector in an integrated manner with what has been established so far, to contribute to achieving the Kingdom's Vision 2030 towards a prosperous economy.
أهم ميزة بالنسبة لدى السعودية هي الطاقة الشبابية اللي فيها، والميزة الجيدة أنهم شباب واعي قوي لديه طموح رائع مثقف متعلم بشكل جيد مبدع لديه قيم عالية. باقي فقط نضع الرؤية ونعمل عليها. الشباب بلا شك هم أهم روافد هذه الرؤية وتحقيقها.